Today, I will be teaching you on how to send money from your Binance account to your Trust wallet. So first, you need to access your Binance account, whether it is on application or even on their website. And then, you just have to enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And once you are in, you just have to navigate to the wallet section located on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you are in, just simply click the spot button beside the overview, and after clicking on that, you just have to click on withdraw, which is located on the middle. And then after that, you just have to use the search bar and type in USDT. And once you find that diamond logo, which is the USDT, you just have to click in, and after you clicked it, under the withdraw, you have two options, which is the send via crypto network or send via email, phone, or ID. In this case, we need to click the send via crypto network, and then after clicking that, you need to open your Trust wallet. And for you to able to access your account, just what I've said earlier, you just have to enter your credentials for you to able to access it. And then on the main dashboard, you will see a bunch of options, which is the send, receive, buy, sell, as well as the history. So you will be needing to click the receive button, which is located on the second button beside the send and buy. So after clicking it, you need to select the USDT, which is in Ethereum based. You can choose either BNB or Ethereum based on your preference. So after that, a wallet address will pop up on your screen, and you will be needing to copy it for you to able to transfer from your Binance onto your Trust wallet. After copying it, go to the Binance again, and then just simply paste your wallet address onto the address section, and make sure that the network under is based on the Ethereum or Binance chain, whatever it's on your preference, whether it is a Ethereum or Binance. So after that, you need to tender an withdrawal amount, and then after pasting your address and all, you just have to click the withdraw for you to able to transfer amount from your Binance to your Trust wallet. So if you learned something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.